Hello, my beautiful people. Hope you all are doing good. Let's imagine you're eager to get married, but your parents or society are pushing you to settle down quickly. Meanwhile, you're thinking about things like intimacy, financial security, and what your future partner can offer. But here's the catch. Divine timing is about trusting that everything will fall into place when the time is right. Let's understand divine timing. Divine timing refers to the idea that everything happens at the right moment, according to a higher plan or universal order. In the context of marriage, it means trusting that you'll meet the right person at the right time, and your relationship will unfold naturally. The pitfalls of forcing marriage. When we force marriage or relationships due to external pressures, we risk 1. Rushing into unsuitable partnerships. Ignoring red flags or compatibility issues can lead to unhappy or even toxic relationships. 2. Sacrificing personal growth. Prioritizing marriage over personal development can hinder your emotional maturity and readiness for a healthy partnership. 3. Ignoring intuition. Disregarding your inner voice or intuition can lead to regret or dissatisfaction. Signs that you're not ready. 1. Feeling pressured. You're getting married due to external expectations rather than your own desires. 2. Ignoring deal breakers. You're overlooking significant issues or differences that could cause problems later. 3. Prioritizing external validation. You're seeking approval from others rather than focusing on your own happiness. Benefits of trusting in divine timing. 1. Patience and self-love. Focusing on personal growth and self-love can lead to greater emotional maturity and readiness for a healthy relationship. 2. Meaningful connections. Building genuine relationships based on shared values and compatibility can lead to more fulfilling partnerships. 3. Inner peace. Trusting divine timing can reduce stress and anxiety, allowing you to enjoy the journey. Practical tips. 1. Reflect on your priorities. Identify your non-negotiables and what you truly desire in a partner. 2. Focus on personal growth. Develop yourself emotionally, intellectually, and spiritually. 3. Trust your intuition. Listen to your inner voice and trust your instincts. I will wrap up this video with few more words. Divine timing in marriage encourages us to trust the natural flow of life and relationships. By prioritizing personal growth, meaningful connections, and inner peace, we can navigate the complexities of love and relationships with greater ease and clarity. So, my dear ones, always listen to your intuition and follow the divine guidance